My name is Erik Belinfante. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon with Atlanta Oral and Facial Surgery. I have been a surgeon since 1993 for the past 20 years. I went to the University of Georgia for my undergraduate schooling, and then I went on to Boston University for dental school. I did 1-year fellowship through Boston City Hospital and New England Medical Center in general oral and maxillofacial surgery. And upon completing that, we then traveled to Cleveland to Metro Health Medical Center, where I did a year of general anesthesia, level 1 trauma anesthesia. And then following that year, we continued to Brooklyn and Queens, where I attended Catholic Medical Center to get my oral and maxillofacial surgery certificate. I have 2 locations that I currently work out of. One is in Johns Creek in Alpharetta, Suwanee, Georgia. The second location is the Sugar Hill office, which is located in the Beaufort-Cumming area as well. What we do in Atlanta Oral and Facial Surgery, and what I do primarily in my portion of the practice, is removal of wisdom teeth, impacted wisdom teeth, dental implant placement, biopsies in the oral area, and some facial reconstructive surgeries. And what this entails is children who have extra teeth or have injuries to their face come in, and we can put them to sleep, and this way they can have their surgery done without nearly as much as anxiety as being awake. And for the majority of the adults that we treat, we put them to sleep to take out single wisdom teeth, single teeth, biopsies, and other procedures. We do this with either local anesthesia just to numb it up, as a dentist would, or we do it with them under IV anesthesia where they're completely asleep and then wake them up when the procedure's done. I specialize within my practice of Atlanta Oral and Facial Surgery and seeing a lot of young pediatric patients. I see a lot of young children. One of the reasons that I think we're better with children than the average oral and maxillofacial surgeon is we're very accommodating to the children. The children take a little extra time, a little extra understanding, and some more compassion to deal with them. I request, and my staff is very good with this as far as giving customer service. We like to make sure that we treat everyone the way we want to be treated, and we treat all patients fairly. If they have any questions or concerns, we're available 24 hours a day. One of the things that might draw patients to our practice is we do have a 3D CAT scan unit in the office, and sometimes we recommend a 3D CAT scan for a patient so that we can see better views of extra teeth in the jaws or tumors or cysts of the jaws.
Another characteristic about Dr. Belinfante that's most impressive is that he's a family man, and you can really see that by the way he treats all of his patients. He treats them like they are his own family and is very kind and understands and patient with every single one of them.
Dr. Belinfante put all my fears at ease. He made me feel very comfortable, and before the procedure I felt very good going into it. What I would like others to know about Dr. Belinfante is his professionalism and how caring he is towards his patients.
Patients oftentimes come back to us because they've had a good experience, because we've worked well with their referring dentist, and maybe we've treated their friends and family as well. And we do have a lot of returning patients. When we receive a referral from someone in the dental community, we like to make sure that we communicate with their dentist and make sure that all the patient's needs are met.
Here at Atlanta Oral and Facial Surgery, we want to assure all of our patients that we will handle all their insurance needs.
I personally take a lot of pride in treating patients the way I want to be treated, treating patients very caring and very concerned about their needs when they come into my office. What makes us stand out is that all of our oral and maxillofacial surgeons are board certified, and we provide excellent patient care in a courteous and sincere manner.